pure excitement I felt checking into the Miami edition is truly unmatched. I absolutely loved every second of it. The hotel lobby with the beautiful decor all around just made me so excited. Come with me on this journey and I'll explain to you everything that the Miami Beach edition has to offer.
I love the check-in process. Because of our ambassador status, we were offered multiple drinks at check-in. Resort fee included beach chairs, umbrellas, yoga classes, bikes, Colombian coffee, and ice skating. Walking into the Miami Beach edition, you notice quiet luxury. The whole design philosophy is based on less but better. Instead of gold chandeliers, loud patterns, or flashy Miami glamour, you get layers of creamy whites, soft beiges, warm oak, marble, linen, and lush tropical greenery. It's like someone distilled a perfect beach day into an interior, and that's intentional. The hotel was created by hotel visionary Ian Schreier. The lobby almost feels like an upscale living room rather than a hotel. There are oversized white sofas that you just sink into, huge potted palms everywhere, soft lighting, and plenty of negative space. That's why the spaces feel so effortlessly expensive. Right outside the lobby, you'll find plenty of cozy seating with comfortable lounge chairs, shaded tables, and quiet corners where you can settle in with a latte, catch up with friends and family, and simply enjoy the ocean breeze. If you're a foodie, you'll be ecstatic at the Matador Room, which is led by Michelin-starred chef Jean-Georges von Gerichten. He brings a menu inspired by Spain, the Caribbean, and Latin America. The chef's tasting menu is designed to take you on a culinary journey, showcasing signature dishes and seasonal specialties that bring in flavor and presentation from start to finish. You can sit back, trust the chef, and experience the restaurant the way it was intended. The dining room preserves the glamour of the hotel's 1950s past, with the restored original chandelier and elegant supper club atmosphere. It's a perfect blend of historic Miami charm and world-class cuisine. As you make your way through these beautiful outdoor spaces, the pathways naturally guide you towards the pool, surrounded by palm trees, lush landscaping, and plenty of quiet places to pause along the way. It doesn't feel like you're walking to the pool, it feels like you're wandering through a private oasis. There's room to truly unwind at your own pace. The beauty of this outdoor space is that it never feels crowded or rushed. It's designed to encourage you to slow down, breathe in the fresh ocean air, and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Whether you're soaking in the warm water, lounging with a good book, or simply taking in the tropical landscape, every corner feels like an invitation to relax. I love this effortless blend of luxury and nature that makes this outdoor space feel so special. Made for those moments when doing absolutely nothing feels like the best part of the day. Whether you settle into one of the complimentary cushioned loungers or upgrade to a private cabana, it's an inviting space designed for pure relaxation from morning till sunset. The hotel has 2 pools where you can ease into the water and simply let the stress melt away, whether you're starting your morning or winding down after a day exploring Miami Beach. The poolside restaurant Tropical is designed for relaxed, open-air dining so you can enjoy a meal without ever having to leave your lounge chair. The menu focuses on fresh, light dishes perfect for a pool day. You'll find tuna tartare, tropical fruit, tacos, lobster rolls, the kind of menu that feels satisfying without being too heavy. The talented bartenders make delicious cocktails. Miami Beach Edition sits right on the ocean, so getting to the sand couldn't be easier. Just stroll through the resort's beautifully landscaped pathways. For hotel guests, complimentary beach lounge chairs and umbrellas are available, making it easy to settle in without worrying about bringing your own stuff. Sink into your chair and spend the day listening to the waves, soaking up the sunshine, or taking a refreshing dip in the Atlantic. Beach attendants regularly walk the rows of chairs, so you can simply wave someone down, place your order, and before long you'll have a chilled drink, a snack, or a full meal brought right to you. No need to pack up, give up your beach chair. It all comes to you. Morning coffee by the ocean turns into a light lunch, which turns into an afternoon cocktail, all without ever having to leave your chair. It's the kind of setup that makes you lose track of time in a good way. It's one of those rare resorts where the beach truly feels like an extension of the property. Comfortable, convenient, and designed so you can make the most of every moment by the ocean. Now let's go to the quieter, more hidden layers of Miami Beach Edition, the spa and the gift shop, because they really round out the experience. You can get access to the spa if you book one of the treatments. There are multiple treatment rooms, a hammam-style setup, steam rooms, and a big relaxation lounge where you can sink into the oversized daybeds wrapped in soft lighting and draped fabrics. The Market Restaurant is where the hotel shifts into this lively cafe meets food hall energy. It's the place you drift for breakfast or a casual lunch without ever feeling like you're doing a formal restaurant experience. It's created by the same Michelin-starred chef that created the Matador restaurant, so you already know it's high quality. You've got pastry counters, fresh juice, coffee stations, grab-and-go items, and plated dishes coming out of a beautiful kitchen that's quietly operating. In the morning, you'll see people in resort wear grabbing cappuccinos, fresh pressed juices, Greek yogurt bowls, avocado toast, smoked salmon plates, and pastries that feel like they came from a proper European-style bakery. You can sit down for a full breakfast with table service, or you can just grab and go. I got a delicious protein smoothie and a fresh key lime pie. By lunchtime, it shifts to a more light, coastal Mediterranean menu. Salads, ceviches, pizzas, sandwiches, tuna tartare.
So right as you walk in, you have this closet on the right, and it has everything you need in here: an ironing board, umbrella, and a safe. Now we come to the mini bar. Every snack you can imagine, sunscreen, beautiful mini bar, also a refrigerator that has a lot of space. And of course, we can't forget the coffee station. Oh, hello there. So we have a beautiful closet in the bathroom that has these really luxurious, soft bathrobes and slippers, of course. We have a separate shower. So the Edition has exclusive Le Labo products. So these are only available at Edition hotels. They're not available at the Le Labo stores. So get them here while you can. So we have this really nice tub, bath grains, and here's the secret: you can actually use the shampoo bottles to create bubbles. We have separate sinks, so it's really nice if you come with multiple people. And you have, again, Le Labo, plenty of towels and other amenities down here. I love how the toilet is separated from the rest of the bathroom. So as soon as you walk in, you see this huge couch that can sleep somebody at night. Really comfy too, if you check the cushion. And you have this convenient coffee table right here. You have one chair here, but you can always pull up some other seating as well. We have this nice work table available as well. It has kind of a director chair that's made of leather, which is really nice. We have some room controls here. You have day, evening, night settings, and you can also turn it off. And then here is a light dimmer just to set the mood. So we have this expansive king-size bed here with really plush pillows and really soft duvet coverings as well. This is a really cute throw that they put on here. And we also have the TV that's at bedside. You can move it to whichever angle you like, so you can either watch it from the couch, which is directly opposite, or you can watch it from the bed. And you can push the TV in or pull it towards you. Have this really cute speaker here. You can plug in your phone or use the Bluetooth setting to play your favorite tunes. And we have controls on top, and it's portable, so you can take it anywhere you want. And another really convenient thing is the controls are at bedside. Okay, so because of our ambassador status, we got this really cute gift. Leatherback turtles coming out of their shell. It's obviously all chocolate.
Let's head to the gym located on the ground floor. You'll notice how bright and cleanly designed it is. Big windows bring in natural light, and the whole space has the same Edition aesthetic. Minimal, modern, and calm. It is fully equipped for real workouts. You will find a solid mix of techno-gym cardio machines, strength equipment, and free weights, plus a dedicated stretching area so you can warm up and cool down properly. You'll also have complimentary earbuds and snacks. You have complimentary workout sessions which change weekly. The basement includes a 4-lane bowling alley and a 2,000 square foot indoor ice skating rink, all wrapped in dramatic lighting. This isn't just a casual add-on, it feels like a completely different world. We didn't actually get to experience it due to a private event, but the guests rave about the intimate bowling alley with a full bar and space for guests to hang out. It never feels overcrowded. Right next door is an ice skating rink which can fit 10 to 15 skaters at a time. There's a constant gentle loop of skaters moving under music and lighting run by a talented DJ. You can really spend your whole night here.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to see more content like this. Let us know in the comments what you want us to review next.